All right, guys, welcome back. So I got a couple items here that were just shipped in to us. I believe these came off of a ISB Cummins 6.7. So we got the DOC here, a little pancake unit, a little DPF, the silicone carbide type. So looking at the DOC and the DPF, it looks like there was some type of possible injector issue or burning oil or something, but there's definitely some contamination. You can see real heavy thick soot there. So customer wanted to either replace or ReCore, which is our new product here. Also SCRs here. So DPFs, I mean, you can get out there aftermarket pretty reasonably. I mean, aftermarket is, OEM is pretty expensive. But the DOCs and especially the SCRs, there's very little aftermarket options out there, so you're pretty much stuck with OEM. In this particular case, this SCR is about $6,000 OEM. So with our ReCore program, we're able to do that for essentially about half price of that. So the DOCs as well, they come in significantly lower than OEM, and then with a lot of aftermarket options as well. So that's one of our new capabilities here. So we're going to get these punched out, and we're going to go ahead and ReCore these. So after we get them done, we'll do a kind of a before and after here as well. But like I said, if you're, I know the SCR is a big problem out there in the market because there's so many different variations and things with these that there's not a lot of aftermarket options, and unfortunately you're stuck with OEM, which can be some cases like on an X15 or some of the pack cars, we could be talking $10,000 for an SCR, guys. So if you're having those issues, need an SCR, reach out to us at dpfdiscount.com. We can help you out, save you a lot of money. And also, all the media cores we use, they are meet or exceed ReCore, meets or exceed OEM specifications. 3-year, 500,000 mile warranty, so you got that behind it for peace of mind as well. So with that, we're going to start working on these, and after we get done, we'll kind of show the finished products. You can kind of see how they are now. Not very good. Okay, guys, so got our DOC, DPF, SCR here. Finally finished with the whole process. So you see nice new paint, new cores and all this stuff. We got the DOC, DPF, SCR. So what we did after we removed the old media, we sandblasted these, cleaned everything up real nice. We welded our tags on, and then afterwards we use a high temp paint as well on there that we put on those. So essentially rebuilt units here. So for a fraction of the OEM price, or even some of the aftermarket prices, if there is an aftermarket option, which unfortunately, again, guys, with a lot of the SCR stuff, there's really no, the cost for a aftermarket manufacturer to get into it, the demand isn't there, and there's so many different variations, so they simply don't produce them. So this gives you another option for those products other than OEM, because OEM, this guy is, like I said, I've seen them around $5,000–$6,000. You might go find them a little bit cheaper, but that's kind of where they're going. We're essentially able to do it for almost half that. So big cost savings. Again, 3-year warranty, 500,000 miles on that as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and like the video as always, thumbs up. If this is a service that can help you, also we can do the Detroit 1 boxes, the 2 DPF 1 boxes, the EPA 14, 17s, also the single DPF 1 boxes, EPA 21s. We can do the big box Volvo SCRs, a lot of the other Volvo stuff as well. Also off-highway stuff. If you got the little Cat 1 boxes, we have the kits, we can redo those. So a lot of off-highway options as well. So if you're watching the channel and you think, oh, nobody can help me with off-highway stuff, we can as well. We have like 6,000 different part numbers out there. So, and even if we don't have it right now, we can send it in. It can be developed. It might take a few weeks, but there are options out there as well. So check out dpfdiscounter.com and give us a call if we can help you out.